Hello everyone. Here we want to talk about the Excel file that's help us for converting a batch of Microsoft Word file into the PDF files. For example, we have a batch of Word files here. We have 13 Word files and we want to convert all of them into the PDF. This is a conventional Excel file that helps us for converting lots of Word files into the PDF. It's really helpful. For example, in most of the organizations, we produce some Word files, documents, and when we want to upload all of them into the portals or email it to the other people, we want to send the PDF files or we want to upload the PDF files. We do not want to send the Word files. Okay, so here we have to convert all of them into the PDF, and it's really hard for opening each of them and saving as the PDF. It takes so much time. So we go and get help from this Excel file. If you open this Excel file for first time, you will see the yellow ribbon that says this Excel used macros. And if you want to use this Excel file, you have to enable the content of the macros, because this Excel file is developed based on the VBA and macros. Okay, for using this Excel file, we provide you the steps that you need to get onto that and do through all of these 3 steps, and we describe these 3 here right now. First, you have to choose the folder that contains the Word files. If you press this button, you will see the dialog folder pickup. You have to go to the first folder that contains the Word file. This is my folder that contains all the words. If you go to that, you cannot see the items in the folder, but you will see the name of the folder here as the folder name, and you have to press the OK button. After that, you have to choose the destination folder. This folder is used to save the PDF files there, and if you press this button, you can go, for example, select one of these folders. This folder is empty right now and is provided for having the PDF folders, PDF files. Okay, so please select that and please ensure that the name of the folder is write it here, and then press OK. After that, you can press the convert button, and the Excel will start for opening each of that Word files and saving them as a PDF and place it in the destination folder. So please be patient. This may take a little time to converting all of that files. It's depend on the number of the files in that folder. After the Excel is done, it show you the message box that says that it's done, and after that you can press OK, and you can go to the destination folder here, PDF folder, and you will see all of the Word files are converted to the PDF and placed it here. Also, you can see the number of the total files in that folder, number of total Word files, Microsoft Word files in that folder, and the total converted files to the PDF. Also, you can choose the initial folder, and as well as you can choose the destination folder, the same folder. If you see that, if I choose the Word file, both the initial folder and the destination folder are the same, and if you press convert, all the PDF files will be placed in the first folder that you choose. If you wait for a minute for converting is done and you press OK, and if you go to the Words folder, you can see all the Word files and the PDF files are placed in the one folder. So I hope this Excel file will help you to ease your life a little bit. And say if you have lots of Word files, you can use this Excel for converting all of them into the PDF in no time. Thanks for hearing me, and wish you the best.